truck drives absolutely perfect, shifts great, sounds awesome. I'm not really hearing a bunch of rattling or creaking or anything, and this road's pretty bumpy. So the cabin is really, really nice. Suspension feels good. Definitely wouldn't know this truck had 90,000 miles on it, both inside and out, and how it drives. Very, very clean truck. Okay, let's do a quick visual condition report. All right, guys, this truck is insane clean for 90,000 miles. You would never know that it had 90,000 miles on it. It is so clean. Looking at these wheels, they look really nice. Maybe one tiny little rock chip here. Fender looks amazing. Mirror looks great. Door looks awesome. We do have a little chip right here on the handle. All of this just looks gorgeous. See, the wheel looks awesome. Got the bed cover. And coming around the back, this tailgate looks perfect. I'm not seeing any scuffs, scratches, chips, nothing. Down here on the bottom bumper, this all looks amazing. Super clean here. We do have one gash right here, and one right there, and a small one here. And that's the extent of most of the damage on that bumper. Everything else looks awesome. This side of the truck looks amazing as well. This bedside is almost perfect. Coming down here is the biggest spot you'll see is some paint is missing right there. But the back side of that looks great. All of this is awesome. We do have a couple tiny little scuffs in here, and they don't even catch my nail. They're just very, very minor. Honestly, probably from the fuel cap kind of hanging and scuffing just a little bit. You can see in this door handle area looks nice and clean. I'm not seeing a bunch of fingernail scratches. We have a rock chip right here on the mirror. The emblem looks amazing. That wheel back there looks awesome. This one has a tiny little scratch right there. Everything else looks really good. And as for the front end, very, very clean. For a 100,000 mile truck, this is insane clean. We do have a scratch right there and just a handful of rock chips here and there. Being silver, they are really hard to see. I'll try to point them out. We got one there, there. Little one here. Got one right there. Looks like we'll have one there. And really that's just to the extent of it. There's a couple more, but they're all very, very minor. So you can just see how clean this front end is. Alright guys, this is a non-smoker. You can see a little bit of wear here on the seat. I'm not seeing any rips or tears. But you can see some of the fabric is kind of bunching up there a little bit. This all looks great. A little bit of wear right here. That bolster looks really clean. You can see a couple little stains maybe in here, or the material just has some dirt on it. The steering wheel has some wrinkling in here, but I don't see any rips or tears or anything like that. Top of the dash looks great. A couple spots here and there in the carpet, a few scuffs on the kick plate, but overall still looks really nice. You can see this door panel looks awesome. This section looks really good. A little bit of wear here on the top, but once again no rips or tears. A little wear right here. Overall though, the interior looks so good. If you have any other questions, give us a shout at Exotic Motorsports of Oklahoma, and I'll put the link down in the description. Thanks guys, and have a good one.